Next, we're going to talk about DreamPorts. This is a sheet of 4 nights of DreamPorts. You get 4 sheets just like this in a box of DreamPorts. So the way these work is the port itself is on a 25-degree angle. And this is going to help dial in and meet the shape of the patient's face, because the goal of putting the DreamPorts on is you want to have them come straight down from your nose and have them parallel to each other. And there's a multitude of different ways that you can put DreamPorts on, but that needs to be your end goal. We're going to go over an actual fitting process that will, lights out, help you be able to put DreamPorts on every night and have them on exactly the same way. So to begin with, I have one individual DreamPort here. So let's talk about what the material is. DreamPorts are manufactured in the USA, but the tape itself is made by 3M, a world-renowned adhesive company. The product that we use that 3M manufactures is hypoallergenic surgical foam. It is not sold over the counter. It's for manufacturing processes only. This is a hypoallergenic surgical tape that's used for ostomy sites. It's also BPA-free, latex-free, and corn-free, and it has no silicone in it. So that's going to significantly reduce the possibility for allergens. What's also unique to the DreamPorts is that nothing goes inside the nose. So as I peel off a DreamPort, what you'll notice here is this is a negative edge. That's what's going to be against my nostril, and nothing's going to go inside the nares, which is really unique. DreamPorts on the opening are 27% larger than your largest nasal pillow. Now what that does is it provides a lot of laminar flow. Laminar flow is an engineering term, which allows, as you breathe through your nostril, easy access to air. It's going to be easy to inhale. It's going to be easy to exhale. So when you put these on, the goal is to line the port up, which is on a 25-degree angle, so that when you're putting these in place, you want to occlude the nostril so that this is coming straight down. The tape is going to point off in a different direction, and we're going to talk about that here in just a moment. But what's additionally unique is that the port has a distal edge at the bottom. That distal edge is what's going to connect into the QR socket, and what the 4 hooks inside the QR socket are going to attach to when you rotate it around and it snaps onto the end.